Alright, my name is Matthew Childress, and today I'm with Hannah Warren, and I'm going to teach her systems. So basically, lines that never meet have zero solutions, right? And it's inconsistent because obviously they never meet. And then it's neither independent or dependent because they never meet, so there's no dependent or independent variable even involved, right? Then when lines meet, there's one solution, right? The point in which they meet. And it's consistent because there's an intersection point, and the intersection point's your answer, so that's consistent. And then independent, it's independent because it's intersected, right? But if you changed it a little bit, they'd still be intersected in a way unless you made them two straight lines that never meet. Then a line on top of each other has an infinite number of solutions. Then it's consistent because infinite number of solutions, and then it's dependent because if you took that line on top of the other line and moved it apart, it would be parallel and they never meet, so it's dependent on the fact that they're together. Now for question 1, I have here a graph. You're going to tell me the number of solutions, if it's consistent or inconsistent, and whether it's dependent, independent, or neither. Alrighty, you got number 1 right. So basically right here, I wrote this graph, right? She wrote down number of solutions is 1. She wrote down that it was consistent. She wrote down it was independent, so she seems to know what she's doing. Now for number 2, Jimmy thinks 2 lines that never intersect is a system that has an infinite number of solutions. Tom disagrees and argues that 2 lines that never intersect has 0 number of solutions. Who is right? I mean, Tom is right because 2 lines that never intersect are parallel lines, and if they never intersect, they have 0 solutions. So you got that right. And do you have any questions about anything I've covered so far?
Why are 2 lines on top of each other have an infinite number of solutions?
Good question. So basically, if a line's on top of each other, it's never not on top of each other, so it has an infinite number of solutions, right? If it meets at one point, that's the one solution, right? So, good question. I think we're done here.